The death of the ego is paramount in our spiritual awakening and in the evolution of our consciousness. Many people interpret the ego in a superficial way, and they do not give the attention that it requires. And the consequence of this is that the ego takes control of their lives in a negative way. The death of the ego is a fundamental phase that all of us need to experience in order to create an accurate image of ourselves and the world. Our path through earth is a constant journey full of ups and downs, and our physical body is the vehicle that transports our souls through this journey. Hence the importance of taking care about what we see, what we focus, because our eyes are the main window in our vehicle, and this window is so wide that it is easy to get sidetracked. If we want our higher self be on charge of driving this vehicle, the death of our ego is paramount. Now I will be sharing with you 3 steps that will help you to the death of your ego. 1. No judgment. We all act like earthly beings. We constantly make mistakes. We go through countless situations. Each person is living their unique experience. So it is essential to have understanding towards others. Why should you judge others when we do not know their history and the result of that history in that person in a natural fact? We must cancel right now the expectations that every single person thinks, acts, and feels like us. We must understand that each person is the result of their own story, and they have their own level of consciousness, and we are no one to judge that level of consciousness. If you stop judging others right now, you will be automatically stop judging your own self, and the ego will also lose its straight. Just choose what part of this world you want to be, in what frequency you want to be on. And this question leads us to the second step, frequency of love. For this, it's important to have balance between your priorities and those of others. The death of ego means not having the need to have the approval of others. This guarantees moving through life perceiving everything from an intelligent perspective, that it makes it easier for us to achieve goals. If you manage to stay in this perfect world of the frequency of love, you will live in peace and harmony. Number 3, acceptance. You need to have acceptance with life, and it is duality. Trust what is not under your control. Accept life as it is, and do not anticipate tragedies. Do not think about the bad things that have not happened yet and that may never happen. Trust that everything that happens in our life has a reason for being. It has a way and what for, and that each difficulty we have in life has many possibilities. If you manage to live a balanced life, your higher self will take control of your life, eliminating or suppressing your ego. You will achieve that everything is in harmony. If you achieve the death of your ego, you will realize that this world has done its work with you. If you want to know more about this subject, I invite you to stay tuned and watch my next video, where I will be sharing with you a psychological theory that explains ego in a deeply form. Thank you so much for watching this video and making this world a better world. Please subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.